Hello again. So in our last video, which was lesson 6, we explained a controller, full CRUD operation. We have category controllers. And in this video, we are going to explain in the front end stuff. So how we can handle front end. So we will use jQuery data tables, and most of the things we will use JavaScript raw query. So in this video, I'm going to explain add front-end JavaScript library. So we will use toaster sweet alert, not toaster, and for pop-up alert messages, and for grid view, and we'll use data table, and for just displaying one details. Let me show you the output. So this will be the final output of the project. So this is the icon for icon for basically for icon we'll use library. Let me font awesome. So font awesome we'll use for this library. And once we're going to delete, so this is this pop-up alert message came from using sweet alert. And this grid view, like paging, searching, sorting, so we'll use Datatable. So let me just add one by one. If we talk about the project structure, so we have to add the project. So a JavaScript library in the www root for CSS and JavaScript. So in our starting video I already explained the project structure. MVC, model view controller. So we have model and view and controller. So now in this video we'll add the required library which we are going to use in the lib folder. Let me just add one by one. So in the lib folder, currently as default we have jQuery bootstrap and jQuery validation. Now I'm going to copy in my local, which is first is data table. So let me just copy and paste. So data table we have like a jQuery data table and CSS. And second, we need to copy sweet alert tool for alert message. And third one is just simple font awesome for icon. So three different jQuery, JavaScript, and CSS library we are going to use in this project. I'm just adding this in the project folder. Now I have to add reference into the shared folder view start, so that we can cover from everywhere in the project. So layout, sorry, shared layout. So already if we maximize the project, then we can see already add reference, view reference here, like personal data management style.css default. So I'm going to add like a new. I'm going to add the which I already explained, three different library, sweet alert, and second one is data table, and third one is like font or something. So let me add one by one. So here is the data table reference, and second one is sweet alert reference. So two reference had been added into the main underscore layout. So always remember you have to add your CSS or JavaScript library in your main file. This is the main uh, partial view, and this will cover entire your project. So now we have just one library remaining, which is font awesome. Let me add that one as well, so that we can have like font awesome in the display view. Just icon will show. Once we click this icon, there will be modal. This modal is bootstrap modal, and delete. This delete is came from like sweet alert. So if we go back to project, so our project reference is ready for performing a front-end operation from the view. So our controller we have already done in our lesson 6, and in this lesson 7 we just discussed about front-end required library JSS and CSS. CSS, JavaScript, and CSS, and already we have added the reference in the shared folder. And always remember, in your www root folder, in the leaf, you have to add your required project reference library. So in the JS folder, you can add your personal custom folder uh, for the project. So this is the basic project. I'm not adding some not additional function here. So if you're going to work with like professional work, then you have to add a lot of function here, like handling different type of alert and validation, lots of things. It's depend on the project requirements and CSS as well. So we'll add one CSS library that will cover the project, our table structure. So if we go back to the table, this table is header is showing some color, and also if we move to the cursor, also showing some different color, and the table is layout is looking good. So let me just add this project, this table CSS. Then we have to finish this lesson. So we'll add a blue green table, custom table CSS. Yes. So we'll add this reference into the table. So this is the table functionality. You can check, and the end child will a different color option, and the blue green at TDTA is font size. We set also the font size and cover color as well. So thank you again, and we have covered the front-end library adding in this video. In the next video, we'll complete the view preparation, and so that we can perform controller operation like this. So thank you. See you in the next video.